Welcome back to Cowboy Jojo's Adventures. Well, today I'm doing something very different. I have three types of different potatoes. Well, some may call them yams, but anyway, why don't you come along with me and I'll give you some ideas of what to do with them. It will inspire you and your guests will love it. So to start the recipe, you'll need about 6 medium potatoes, and I'm using a mixture of potatoes and yams. You'll need 2 celery sticks, a bunch of coriander, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder, and that will depend on how spicy to which curry powder you wish to use, 4 boiled eggs, and a 1/4 cup of chives. So let's get cracking. So let's start with your potatoes and your yams by peeling and chopping into bite-sized pieces. And simmer them until they're just tender. So while we're waiting for our potatoes to boil and our eggs to hard boil, we're going to chop up our chives and our celery and put that in a bowl. Once your potatoes have boiled, drain them, let them cool down, as well as your hard-boiled eggs. Let them cool down and then quarter them, add them to your bowl and the mixture. Fold in your potatoes. Mix your 1/2 cup of mayo with some curry powder. So with your curry mixture, gently fold into your other ingredients. Just very gently so that you don't break up all the potato. So I'm using a spatula, as you can see. Gently mix it thoroughly around and serve it on a platter. The last ingredient is your coriander, so get rid of that rubbish and then just chop it up and garnish your potato salad. That's all from me this week, and I hope you enjoy your tri-potato coloured curry egg salad. Thanks for watching today and for sharing on another recipe with me. Bye for now. See you on our next adventure.